LE308B standing type fresh bean to cup coffee vending machine, coffee bean hopper, 5 canisters for 16 cans of drinks, 21.5 inches touch screen for menu display and video advertising, bank card, cash, mobile QR code payment are all supported. Equipped with automatic cup dispenser and stirring stick dispenser, it supports 3G, 4G internet and Wi-Fi connection. Their SLE web management system to check sales records, remotely set recipe and menu via web browser.